We did some brainstorming over Zoom last week at our staff meeting. Now that we're social distancing, we are all working from home, so we don't have a lot of time to talk about new ideas. One of our team suggested we start using Zoom all the time. Maybe we don't even need an office if we all work at home. It might be a good idea, but the boss will never go for it. Still, everyone agreed that our colleague should at least try to suggest the idea to the boss. Go for it. What have you got to lose? I'm Paul Preston. From Venture English, this is 3-Minute English, a podcast in English about English for English learners. When I told you about my colleague, I mentioned the phrase, "go for it," twice. You probably have heard this phrase before, but did you know there are 2 different meanings for this phrase? You're probably pretty familiar with one of the meanings. At the end of the story, we told our colleague, "Go for it. What have you got to lose?" This is the most common usage. Here, go for it means try it or do your best. This is such a popular phrase that the shoe company Nike uses it as their slogan. But I also mentioned that we didn't think the boss would go for it. Did you think the boss wouldn't be willing to try hard? Well, that is pretty unlikely since she's really dedicated to her job. So, what does "go for it" mean here? Well, in this case, it means the boss won't approve or accept the idea. Probably, in this case, our boss wouldn't be likely to embrace the idea of working at home all the time. So we said she wouldn't go for it. But I might have used it in a positive sentence too. I could have said, "The boss will go for it." That just means the boss will approve or accept it. Well, we can only hope. But try to use the other meaning for "go for it." Remember, it means to approve, accept, or embrace an idea. Use it sometime. Your English is going to sound better. You want to speak better English. Venture English can help you achieve that goal. In addition to 3-Minute English, we now have a YouTube channel with study tips, coaching to keep you motivated, and conversation practice on topics common today. We also have new courses and study resources at our website ventureenglish.com. That's VENTUR English.com. Finally, we have another new podcast too, called "Where Did That Come From?" It's about the origin of words and phrases in English, and it really helps to remember them. Come to ventureenglish.com and become a member for free. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and get started achieving your goal to speak English better. Remember, at Venture English, we talk business. This has been 3-Minute English. I'm Paul Preston.